You are going to love the 2019 Lincoln Navigator. The Lincoln Navigator offers over 100 cubic feet of cargo space, 3 rows of seating for up to 8 passengers, and best-in-class legroom, as well as an authoritative 5.4-liter 3-valve V8 flex fuel engine. This luxury SUV is powerfully persuasive. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, power liftgate, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, 4-wheel drive, 4-wheel disc brakes. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.